Green purity is the melody of nature. Gain cheeriness is the melody of harvest. Safety innovation is the melody of HYV. Jiangsu Huaying Valves Company Limited is dedicated to providing modern valve solutions for global customers. Jiangsu Huaying Valves Company Limited is a modern enterprise integrated with design, manufacturing and marketing of industrial valves, which is providing solutions for the global valve market. Relying on technology, talents, market, management, and other multidimensional advantages, HYV is improving the global operation strength under the international competition environment, and then providing customers with a complete set of reliable valve solutions. Effort achieves perfect. Continuous innovation stems from our unremitting exploration of valves. Dozens of industry talents gather here. In addition to general valves, the design of other products can be developed and manufactured according to customers' requirements, which fully meets customers' requirements for materials, valve structure, inspection and test, and protective packaging. HYV's self-established design calculation system ensures that the product design is at the international level. For more than 30 years, we have been committed to excellence in valves industry. On the basis of mastering the core technology, we gradually integrate the entire industry chain and serve all valve links. In the upstream, we have our own foundry for valve shell castings. While ensuring the quality of raw materials and the delivery cycle, we also control the safety of the valve. Keeping up with the times, HYV speeds up the development of automation and informationization, sets up advanced production equipment in the industry, adopts cutting-edge manufacturing technology, and restricts the entire production process with a comprehensive management system of quality, environment, safety, and occupational health to ensure the manufacture of high-quality and safer products. Let HYV brand become a byword for reliability. Quality assured is the driving force for our continuous pursuit. Every product and component of HYV has been carefully manufactured and passed strict testing. The production of each component includes responsibility, coupled with advanced testing equipment and strict scientific management, so that each product can withstand the careful selection of customers. Proprietary warehousing logistics and 24-hour after-sales service hotline. HYV attaches great importance to its commitment to customers. With the three major service standards of professionalism, speed, and detail, customers can enjoy the value-added experience brought by HYV while having high-quality products. Petroleum, chemical industry, liquefied natural gas, energy, papermaking, water treatment, pharmaceuticals, metallurgy, and engineering. While continuously providing high-quality valves for customers in various fields, HYV continues to extend the value chain, commit to green and sustainable development with global partners, and make efforts to create a safer and greener world. Let the world hear the voice of HYV. Jiangsu Huaying Valves Company Limited.